The Kids R1 Air Full Zip Jacket is a crucial close-to-body layering piece for youngsters you can't keep indoors. Made with a 100% recycled polyester fleece that employs our hollow core yarns and a unique moisture-wicking zigzag texture, this layer dries fast and breathes easily on and off the skin track. Comfortability comes with fit details like offset shoulder seams for reduced tension under pack straps, soft, woven binding at the back hem and cuffs to add stretch, and underarm panels and wide joint sleeves to increase mobility while keeping the jacket close to body. There's a full zip collar to protect the chin and neck, enough pockets for storage, and thumb holes in the cuffs so sleeves won't ride up while attempting any firsts on snow. Designed for demanding snow pursuits, the Kids R1 Air Full Zip Jacket plays well off snow and in everyday wear, making it a high-use item in any kids lineup.